Hey everybody, my name is Kyle Knott, and I am not your average finance guy. I had a question the other day about the IBC concept, so make a little video here and explain that a little bit. What IBC is and what it is not. And IBC is not an investment. I would not consider IBC an investment. IBC is not a get-rich-quick scheme or product or something like that. It is not Bitcoin that can boom overnight, and nothing against Bitcoin, but it is not that. It is a slow, calculated, very low risk, almost risk-free way of building wealth. It is a foundation it can be the foundation of investing, but it's a tool. Okay, I got my screwdriver here. My daughter saw Stanley. It's like, yeah, they actually used to make tools before they made the cups. But like this tool can be used to put in it's a little tiny one, maybe a wall plate. It can be used to assemble things, disassemble things. It's a very useful little tool. You can do a lot of different things with it. You can do damage with it as well. You can either do good, you can do bad. I could stab it through this wall here and cause damage, or I can use it to maybe I want to pry something off the wall, so I can use this and do different things with it. So IBC, just like this screwdriver, is a tool, and you can use it the way it's intended to be used, or you can use it improperly and squander a bunch of money away. So it's all about the education, which I'm trying to make it easy for everyone to understand. And a lot of people are worried that this infinite banking concept, because I do talk about buying rental properties and investments, and then I use that money to repay, and I just keep growing. But even if you're not into that side of investing, I don't think you should ever invest in anything that you don't understand. Like real estate, I understand real estate. I've been in it for a decade, and if you don't understand that, don't do it. If you would like to understand that, educate yourself. I'd be happy to talk to you. There's all kinds of stuff out on YouTube that can help you with that. So don't let that stop you. But even if you're not an investment type person, IBC can still help you buy a car. Are you going to buy a car? I mean, everyone has a car or multiple. So instead of buying a car and making bank payments and giving all your money, pushing all your money away on bank interest, you can use that as your own. You create this infinite banking concept is your own banking system. So even if you don't want to invest at all, you can still use it on every car you will ever buy for the rest of your life. Can be financed through your own bank. Okay, you could maybe pay even if you're paying 7% on a car loan right now is a no-brainer, because you can take a loan out of your IBC for around 5 to 6% right now. So obviously that's a no-brainer. The interest rates are lower. Sometimes even if you get a car loan at 1.9%, arguably you're still better off because of the way the loans are structured. And if you get a car loan and you are having a hard time, having a hard month or three, and don't make those car payments, if you don't make your car payment to the bank, a repo guy is going to show up and with a tow truck or whatever, and you're going to have no more car. Whatever you paid on that car is now gone. The bank took it back. That's a collateral. It's gone, right? If you do this with the IBC concept and you come on some hard times and you can't make your payment for 3 months, don't make it. It really doesn't matter, okay? The way instead of having the car as your collateral like the bank does, the IBC concept knows your death benefit is there. It's up to date and it's good, okay? So the IBC the insurance company has your death benefit, and they know that you have a huge death benefit, much bigger than the car, because they wouldn't loan you against this death benefit unless you had money in there. So your death benefit is your collateral. If you don't pay that back right away, it's no big deal. Yeah, you'll pay a little bit more of interest or loan costs. In the long run, the insurance company knows that even if you never make another payment for the rest of your life, there will still be more death benefit upon your death than what you owe. So you technically don't even have to ever make a payment on it. Now, if you only want to buy one car and you stop making payments on that and you let it go, then this is not the right tool. This is, you need a different tool. Throw this in the garbage. You're doing damage to yourself now. You're not using the tool properly. But if you want to, instead of paying the banks for all your car payments for the rest of your life, pay yourself all your car payments for the rest of your life into your own banking concept, you can just keep repeating this. And when you pass away, your beneficiaries, whatever that is, you're going to be able to pass on a legacy to them. And hopefully you get this figured out and you teach them how to also do this as well. I mean, this is what the richest of the rich, the Rockefellers, and this is how they do this, why they are still a super rich family, because they've got this waterfall process now. And that's another video in and of itself. But they're, in my mind, this is the best way of ever taking out a loan is you might as well take it out of your bank instead of plugging it away to the banks and making the big fat cat banks even richer. The rich make money and blow it, and they give it right back. Right? So the rich, they look rich, they have fancy stuff, they have a bunch of fancy cars, and they look rich, right? But all they're doing is throwing their money. Maybe they make a lot of money, but they're giving it right back to the bank. They're giving all that interest so they can have their big flashy lifestyle. Okay, the wealthy keep it. They hold on to it. Okay, so let's be wealthy. And once you're wealthy and you start your own bank, go ahead and buy some of that flashy stuff if you want to. Now you're paying yourself back. You're keeping it. You're not giving it away to the big banks. All right, hope this helps. All right, if you got any questions about any of this infinite banking, velocity banking, anything like that, please reach out. 100% free, no obligation. I'm not going to ask for your credit card. Go to my website. We can get something on the calendar, and I'd be more than happy. What I'll do is I'm going to help 5 people a week, absolutely free of charge. I know I think there's something on there about charging, but I'm kind of switching away from that model. So if you would like a little help, please look me up and let's talk over your situation. And I would just tell you what I would do, but from there, I will let you guys do what you want. So, all right, good luck, everybody. Hope this helps, and let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.